there are certain things which one should follow in civil services preparation. There are some levels and steps we need to take care of and we need to understand from the beginning till the end of our preparation. The first level is understand the syllabus practically. The first thing is for civil services preparation, first take the syllabus copy, paste that syllabus copy in your room. Every day try to understand and try to remember what is your syllabus for the exam. If you read the syllabus thoroughly, half of your task will be accomplished. So, the first thing, first step for civil services preparation is understand the syllabus. And the next level, second step is the basics of the syllabus. Basics of the syllabus means first go with NCERT books, 6th class to 12th class. And many students ask me whether to read all the books with all perfection. Nobody can read all the books with all perfection, but try to make some notes of important points in NCERT from 6th class to 12th class. So, first know the syllabus, second level NCERT preparation. In the third level, integrate the static syllabus with the dynamic syllabus. Integrate the static syllabus with the dynamic syllabus. The magic in civil services exam is, if you read only static, that might not be enough for the exam. If you read only current affairs, it is not sufficient for the exam. So, you are expected to integrate static with dynamic. Where to learn and how to learn this dynamic subject? The dynamic subject is from newspapers, magazines, and then from the sites like PIB. PIB means Press Information Bureau, and from Yojana, and also from PRS.org, the new bills, acts and policies of the government, and various ministries' websites. So, there you will get dynamic part. So, you are expected to integrate your basic book knowledge with this dynamic part. The next level of preparation is planning. At least before 12 months of your prelims, you should start your civils preparation. Minimum 12 months. It is better to start before 16 months of writing your prelims, but minimum 12 months time. So, finish your prelims and mains and make 2 revisions, then go for prelims exam. Have very good writing practice. Minimum at least 100 prelims papers. Every day 5 questions for mains. You practice for 1 year, then sit in the actual exam. Don't plan for the exam without writing mock exams. So, this is the most important thing. And the last step is, never think that you have to complete within 1 year. So, plan for 2 years, and in these 2 years sometimes you might get success in 1 year, sometimes it may go for 2 to 3 years. So, but be patient, try to have that killer instinct, and never feel for a failure. Whatever might come, whatever might happen, you should wait for 1 more year. So, whenever you want to start civils preparation, you should have enough time, that is minimum 2 years of time. So, then only you get proper time and practice for it.